Oh shit, let's go! Yes! Today is the day that my Rolex comes in, and I cannot believe that this day is finally happening. It's crazy what's possible when you put your mind to something for years and years. So fucking pumped. Last night, I pulled nearly an all-nighter. I stayed up extremely late, like 4. And I'm just so excited and filled with energy because I'm having so much fun doing what I'm doing and recording stuff. And I'm just so grateful to have you along with me for the journey. It's crazy. So let's run it. Let's accomplish our dreams. Let's inspire each other. And let's fucking have an amazing day. Let's go. What is up, everybody? And I am here finally unboxing my new Rolly. No, it's not exactly bust down, but it's still a Rolly. So come check this out over here. This is an unboxing. So basically, I bought this from eBay. Check this out here. eBay used, because you can't buy new Rollies unless you get on a wait list forever. So, hey, I got it used. Certified authenticity guarantee. Let's fucking go. All right, so I feel like this card basically says that it's real. But it also has its own paperwork. I paid extra to get one that actually had its real paperwork and shit. I have a luxury handbag to sell? Actually, maybe. Oh shit, there's the Rolly box, dude. It says the time has come. Fuck yeah, I put it in a nice box. Because it's shit, dude, let's fucking go. You know, I'm so pumped. This is like so crazy to me. Like, to be honest, this is so much more than just a watch. Like, a watch is a watch, dude, honestly, but it's more the symbology of like all the shit I had to go through to get to this point, to buy a watch like this and not have it feeling anything. So yeah, it's really insane. Like, this just feels like so full circle, dude, and crazy to be like in this position doing this. And so yeah, just like, I can't thank you enough for everything. Now, let's check this out. Get a little closer so the audio is better. Okay. Oh shit, look at that. Ooh, I got the Oyster Perpetual Explorer 2, baby. Let's fucking go. So there's the manual. Here's the certification that it's authentic and real and shit. This is actually AI generated. All this is the AI generated Rolly. And so, oh shit, that was just an external box. So here's the actual box where you hold the Rolly and shit. Oh, fuck, dude. Yes! Looks better in person. Dude, I'm so pumped. It has great aftermarket value, but I'm never gonna sell this. Rolly, if you're watching this, don't worry, I'm not gonna sell it. And plus, I'm just not. Oh, fuck, dude, it looks so dope on me. Fuck, dude, it's in perfect condition, too. Oh, it actually fits great, dude. It's not, oh shit. I'm so pumped. Let's go, gangsta. Oh shit, and dude, it was off. It was literally off, and then I put it on, and then it started charging it. So now it's running. And dude, this is fucking clean as shit. And I got like an extra band for it too. But yeah, dude, this is fucking, here, check this out, check the dial out. It's insane, bro. It's fucking crazy. This is so full circle, baby. And you know, the point of me doing this unboxing is really just to let you know that anything is fucking possible. I was dirt poor 3 years ago, and I never thought I would be here in this beautiful apartment. You can check out the view. And it's all thanks to email marketing. Like, I never thought that this would be me, and this would be my life, and I'd be wearing a Rolly, I'd be in this beautiful top floor apartment with a view of the ocean, and I would have the life of my wildest dreams. So dude, it's just like, anything is fucking possible, all right? Especially if you want to go from being a copywriter to a full stack email marketer. Literally anything is possible, because when you do, the world's your oyster. Like, you can close 5K a month clients like consistently. You can get 5 of them, make 25K a month. You can travel in 5-star resorts. Like, I'm literally leaving on a plane Sunday to go to Lithuania, Estonia, Scandinavia, staying in these giant baller Airbnbs, like do whatever the fuck I want. Like, it's just crazy. And this life can be yours too, but only if you make the decision today. So click the link in the description, watch the free training so you can learn exactly how to make 25K a month as a full stack email marketer, and you can have this life too. I'll see you inside.